We had faced a lot of loss and tragedy in our community, and just like any creative person, you dive into your craft, and it was like Jordan said earlier, it's like therapy. And I wrote this song. I was riding in my yard with the four-wheeler with my little boys at the time, and I'm not kidding y'all, the redbirds were like chasing us. And everywhere I'd go, I have to put the brakes in my car. They were like, I would almost hit them, like they were chasing after me. And if you all know, around the holidays, we see a lot of cardinals around when, there's that saying, when when angels are near, when cardinals appear. And so this song is for, the holidays can be really hard sometimes, especially those who have lost someone, which that's all of us in here. So just remember your loved ones. Love never dies, y'all. It lives right here forever. So they always there. So when you see a red bird, let that just be a reminder to you of love, okay? And so we're gonna sing it. Thank you, Andre, for orchestrating the beautiful strings.
Absolutely.
Doctors called it a perfect storm. A week later, she was gone. Oh, how they cried. And I think of you and the cardinal flies. A country concert at the Cajun Dome. A mother-daughter date, they were headed home. A drunk driver took her sweet young life. And I think of her when the cardinal flies. Fly high and sing a song. Fly high and rest on. Fly high, fly high. I think of you when the redbird flies. I got the call at 1 a.m. It changed my life, I can't pretend. My dad was taken by surprise. And I think of him when the cardinal flies. Fly high and sing a song. Fly high and rest on. Fly high, fly high. I think of you when the redbird flies. Jillian and Macy were their names. They were taken too soon, but their love remains. Lafayette strong, we all believe.